Hey YouTube, what's up? It's DaBossElla and I'm here today with a review from Irresistible Me. Irresistible Me sent me this Onyx professional hair dryer, and this is what it looks like. This is the box that it came in, and this is what it looks like. In this box you get instructions, how to clean, store, the functions, the features, the warnings. It has everything in here that you may need. It also talks about some basic styling tips. And then let me talk about what's special about this dryer. This hair dryer, the Irresistible Me Onyx hair dryer, has the ionic function, professional DC motor, removable filter. Now that's really good that you can clean your filter. Patent dial control. It also has 7 heat settings, infrared function, magnetic end cap, dual voltage, cool shot, 7 airflow settings, energy efficient, ergonomic design. Okay, so this is lightweight. It has a 2.8 millimeter cord length. It has the LCD display. All right, so let's look at this. Enough talking, let's look at this right quick. All right, so this is what this bad girl is looking like. If you can see that, honey. This is where the LCD screen is, and these are the different dials down here for the different settings. And then you have your cool shot here, and then you have your on and off button here. Super long cord, you hear me? It comes with 2 different size nozzles, if you can see that. And also the great thing about this dryer is the settings. Now it has a Pro Turbo mode. Pro Turbo mode is the highest setting. They have Turbo 1, Turbo 2, Pro Turbo, Frizz Free, Gentle 1, Gentle 2, and Styling. So you have 7 different settings. Okay, so if you can see here, this says Onyx here in the LCD screen. And it is flashing blue to let you know it is ready to choose the setting. Alright, so to turn on the Onyx, you just hold the button. It's so neat. It's on this is the top setting, and you can turn it all the way down to the bottom setting. And here's the cool shot. The cool shot is right here. And it is low noise. This is amazing. Again, this is from Irresistible Me. This is the Onyx blow dryer. I'm so glad they sent me this. They're actually going to have a sale. They have a Black Friday sale and also a Cyber Monday sale. So you definitely want to go over there and check them out. And they're going to have a Black Friday sale, which is today, and also a Cyber Monday sale that campaigns through November. Yes, okay. Okay, so this is so easy to use, so lightweight, so quiet, so professional. I am going to leave the information about this in the description box. If there are any discount codes, I will definitely let y'all know what they are. But this is amazing. The nozzle went on there so easy. You can turn it if you have, you know, you have your hand positioned a certain way. It's very, very quiet, very, very lightweight. Go over there, check out Irresistible Me. I love this. It has 7 settings. You cannot beat that. I'm ready to do some hair. All right, so y'all go check them out. I will talk to y'all in the next video. Bye.